Hi my dear students, in the previous videos we discussed the theorem based on the here it is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So in the previous videos I discussed the first theorem, that is for any square matrix A with real entries A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So this we discussed in the previous videos. Clear? So now my dear students, I am going to discuss the next another one theorem, that is for any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So my dear students, you can observe here what I discussed. What is our theorem? One says, the theorem one says that for any matrix A, so if I have the any matrix square matrix A, this can, here it is for this matrix A plus, if I take the A plus A dash is nothing but the A transpose. So A plus A dash is a symmetric. Clear? And next my dear students, if I take for any square matrix A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Clear? This we discuss in this theorem. Now my dear students, what is this theorem says? Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So I will take here this for any square matrix. If I read that theorem statement, I can write. Can I write? Please just observe. So this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. So what it says? So A plus A dash. Any square matrix A, that is I am taking A is the any square matrix I am taking. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric. This is symmetric. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, that is A minus A transpose. So just it's not accurate, correct, just I am discussing. If I write like this, what happens, that I am discussing here. So any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric. So my dear students, if I write like this is not correct, because if you simplify this, here you can write, so just remove the bracket, A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. This A transpose got cancels, and now my dear students, here A plus A is equals to 2A. Clear? But what happens here is LHS is not equals to RHS. So we can't write, we cannot write here this A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. If I write like this, here LHS is not equals to RHS, because A is not equals to 2A. This is not correct one. So therefore what I will write, so instead of writing sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, directly instead of writing like this, what I will do here it is, you can observe here A is equals to, what I got here it is A is equals to 2A. So here it is, here also A, here also A. Only 1, 2 is extra here. So if I remove these two, then I can write like this. So for that reason, what I do my dear students, this A I will write it as, I will divide with 2. Half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So my dear students, now if you simplify this, you will get half A, here it is. If I simplify this, I will show here. So half into A. Take this half inside the bracket. Half into A plus half into A transpose plus half into A minus half into A transpose. And now my dear students, half A transpose got cancels. Half A plus half A is equals to, that is 2A by 2, because LCM is 2 and here it is A plus A is 2A. This 2 got cancels. This implies A is equals to A. Am I right? So here it is LHS is equals to RHS. So this is valid. So therefore my dear students, what I am writing for any square matrix, here it is A plus A dash is the, we know that A plus A dash is a symmetric, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric. But I am taking this half here, this I am multiplying half, here also I am multiplying half, and here also I am multiplying half, because to balance equation, that is LHS must be equals to RHS. To make LHS is equals to RHS, so therefore I am multiplying half here this. So up to whatever I discussed here, this is my dear students, the theorem given, whatever given statement is there, here it is, this statement I written in the form of in like this. In this form I wrote, that is A is equals to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So my dear students, you can observe here it is nothing. This is not a proof of the theorem. This is not the proof for this theorem. This is just whatever they given to you in the form of sentences that I wrote in the form of equation. You can take it as an equation or you can call it as the expression. Just I wrote the given statement, the theorem of the given statement. Just I wrote in the form of in this form I wrote. Now we should show that this half into A plus A dash. We should show that half into A plus A dash is a. We should show that this is a symmetric, and next half into A minus A dash. We should show that this is a skew symmetric. Clear, my dear students? Whatever given statement is there, what they are telling? Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric, skew symmetric. That they given to you. And the sum of symmetric I am taking it as half into A plus A transpose, and the skew symmetric I am taking it as half into A minus A dash. The given, please remember my dear students, the given statement just I wrote in this form. Not yet I am discussing the proof for this. Whatever given statement is there, that I wrote in this form. Now we should show that my job is to show that this is a symmetric matrix and this is a skew symmetric matrix. Now the proof starts. So my dear students, to simplify this easily, I am taking here this. Let A is equals to here this I will take it as the P, and next this I will take it as Q. Clear, my dear students? So let A is equals to P plus Q. So this I am taking it as P and this I am taking it as Q. Now my dear students, I should show that this is a symmetric and this is a skew symmetric. So if I take this, if I call this as P and this as Q, so here let us take, or else here it is, consider here P is equals to half into A plus A dash. Now we should show that, my dear students, this is a symmetric. That is, let us take this P as P is equals to half into A transpose. And I should show that this is nothing but P I took here this. And we should show that this is a symmetric. Now, and also my dear students, we discussed in the previous videos what is meant by symmetric as well as skew symmetric. So my dear students, for any here it is, for any matrix, this entire I am treating it as the P as the one matrix. So any matrix P you can take, or you can take A. I will take A because we discussed up here. Generally we took the matrix A. So therefore, next conditions, for any matrix A, if I wanted to show that A is a symmetric, or if I want to prove A is symmetric, means what should I show? I should show that A transpose is equals to A. If I show this condition, that is, if A transpose is equals to A, if it's possible, then we can say that this implies A is symmetric matrix. Clear? Symmetric matrix you can call. So now my job is, I should show that P as the symmetric. So here it is, P is nothing but P is equals to what I am taking here is P is equals to half into A plus A dash. Now my dear students, my job is P, I should show that this P as the symmetric. If I wanted to show that P is the symmetric, means I should show that P transpose equals to P. If I show P transpose equals to P, then I can say that P is a symmetric matrix. This is by the definition. As here I told, if A transpose equals to A, then we can say that A is a symmetric matrix. Likewise, if P transpose equals to P, then we can say that P is symmetric matrix. So now my dear students, consider I am taking here this P is equals to half into A plus A dash. Now take the both side transpose. P transpose is equals to here, P transpose is equals to half into A plus A transpose. So what I did here is both sides I am taking transpose because to show this P is a symmetric. So now simplify this further, my dear students. P transpose is equals to half into A plus A transpose. Now this is this I here it is. We can also we know that since we know that, my dear students, if I take I discuss this is also one property, a definition in the or in the previous videos I discussed. K into A whole transpose can be written as K is any constant, any real number it can take. K into A transpose I can write. K is the constant there, any real number. So therefore, even here it is half is also real number, and here is A plus A dash will act as the one matrix. So half I am taking it as outside, and here it is A plus A transpose whole transpose. This is K, and assume this value as A. So K into A whole transpose can be written as K into A transpose. A transpose. I use this property. So now, my dear students, this can be written as P transpose is equals to half into, here it is again we discussed, assume this as A and this as B. Again we discussed A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So therefore half into A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. This value A and this value B. A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Clear? Further simplify this. P transpose is equals to half into A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Also I discussed this property here. This is also one property. A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. So therefore A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. Now, my dear students, you can observe P transpose is equals to half into A transpose plus A. Half into A transpose, here it is. Here first I wrote A and here next I wrote A transpose. Both values are same. If I write first A transpose plus is there, so A transpose plus A is also same. So, my dear students, half into A plus A transpose or half into A dash plus A transpose plus A. This is nothing but P only. So here clearly I show that I shown here P transpose is equals to P. So this is what here it is. So if I show P transpose is equals to P, then I can say that P is a symmetric matrix. So therefore, my dear students, here it is. Therefore, P is equals to P means what I assume here it is. P means here it is half into A plus A dash. Here it is half into A plus A dash is symmetric. Clear, my dear students? And now I should show that Q is skew symmetric. This is your proof for this. Now I will show that Q is symmetric. Just here, up here I shown P is a symmetric. P is equals to half into A plus A dash is a symmetric. So, my dear students, I will erase this and I will write here. So please pause the video to note it down, my dear students. Here, if there here not sufficient space I have, so I write there. The next part of this, I write P dash equals to P. We show that P dash equals to P. This implies P is equals to P means what I assume, my dear students, or else directly you can write if P dash is equals to P. P is symmetric matrix. This implies that P means what? P is equals to what is the P is equals to what I assumed, my dear students. P is equals to half into A plus A transpose. Half into A plus A transpose is also symmetric matrix. Clear? And next, my dear friends, I should show that Q is skew symmetric. So if I want to show that Q is skew symmetric, let Q is equals to what I took here is Q is equals to I am comparing with this. Q is equals to half into A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. So next, my dear students, take again I should show that Q is a skew symmetric. So if I wanted to show that Q is skew symmetric means I should show that Q transpose is equals to minus Q. If Q transpose is equals to minus Q, if I showed, then we can say that Q is skew symmetric. Clear? So therefore, my dear students, I will take both sides transpose. I will take. So this implies Q transpose is equals to half into A minus A transpose whole transpose. And now, my dear students, this is Q transpose is equals to, again just only I told you, since K into A whole transpose is K into A transpose. So therefore half is a constant. Take it outside. Now we should take the transpose of this. That is A minus A transpose whole transpose I should take, because this as I am taking this as A and this as K for comparing. While comparing, you can take this as K, this as entire A. So K into A whole transpose is K into A transpose. So therefore this is half, or take it outside, whole transpose of this A minus A transpose whole transpose. Now further simplify this. Q transpose is equals to half into, and also my dear students, we discussed A minus of B whole transpose is equals to A transpose minus B transpose. So now here I take it as A transpose minus already A transpose, this transpose whole transpose. So therefore, my dear students, Q transpose is equals to half into A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose is A, because we discussed A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. This is also we have the property. Clear, my dear students. So therefore, here Q transpose is equals to half into A transpose minus A. So my dear students, I will write it. I will take here this. I should show that Q transpose equals to minus Q. So therefore what I will do here is, from this I will take minus outside. If I take minus outside, so here it is A transpose, here it is plus is there, but here I took the minus outside. So again I should write A minus A transpose, minus will become plus. Next, here it is minus is there, here outside I took minus, so remaining is plus, minus. So already we discussed, here it is, if anything sign I took the outside the bracket. So after taking this bracket, whether it's correct, right or not, to check, to verify that, again I should multiply. If I multiply with whatever I took the common, by taking whatever I took the term common, by taking that term, if I multiply inside the bracket, again I should get the previous term only. So if I got the previous term after multiplying this, if I got the previous term, then I can, whatever I took the term outside, that's right. So my dear students, I'll check here. Minus half into minus plus half into A transpose. That's right. And next, minus into plus is minus, half into A, half is outside. So keep it as it is. Minus plus minus A is there. Clear? Like this you can write. Now my dear students, you can observe here it is Q transpose is equals to minus, right, as it is. Now half into A minus A dash. Half into A minus A dash is nothing but Q only. You can observe A is there, minus A dash is there, minus A dash is there. So in this, in place of this half into minus A dash plus A, here I am writing the value, I am taking Q. So therefore Q transpose is equals to minus Q. My dear students, this is nothing but, this is what I proved. Q transpose equals to minus Q. Therefore, if this condition satisfies, this implies that Q is skew symmetric. Q is skew symmetric matrix, and we know that this implies Q means what, my dear students? Q, here it is. Q is nothing but half into here A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. So therefore half into A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Clear? I hope you understood. So my dear students, now onwards you can observe, here it is. Now onwards you can write any matrix A. If they asked you any matrix A as the sum of express. So for example, they'll give you the questions like this. Any matrix, they'll give you the one matrix A and they ask you to express the matrix A in terms of symmetric and skew symmetric. Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. If they ask, means you should find half into A plus A dash and half into A minus A dash. So half into A plus A dash will give you the symmetric matrix, half into A minus A dash will give you the skew symmetric matrix. Clear? I hope you understood. And these two theorems are very important, but most probably they'll ask the first theorem, my dear students. Clear? So we'll move on to the some questions. So I'll explain once in Kannada. If you require means I'll explain once in Kannada. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು half into a plus a dash plus half into a minus a dash. ಸೊ half into a plus a dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ನಮಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ a plus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದರ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, a minus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ a minus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಗೆ a plus a dash ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, a minus a dash ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀ a plus a dash a minus a dash ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a is equals to 2a ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ a is equals to ಏನು LHS is equals to RHS ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು a plus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a plus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. and similarly half ಬರೀ a minus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a minus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a plus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a minus a dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತೋರಿಸೋದೇ ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ p ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಸೊ therefore let p is equals to ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ p plus q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ p plus q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ p ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ p ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a plus a dash ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, q ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು q ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a minus a dash ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಜಾಬ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ p ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, q ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ p ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a plus a dash. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ p ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಥವಾ p ಇರಲಿ ಏನದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ p ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು p ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಶೋ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ p dash is equals to p ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ p ನ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ p ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ p ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು p ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, p is ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ q ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು a minus a dash q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, q ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. q ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, q ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ q ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ q ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ q ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ q ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು q ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ q ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ q ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೌ students will discuss some questions based on this concept. Clear? I hope you understood. Please pause the video to note it down. ಆಮೇಲೆ very important 3 marks ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 3 marks ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಜನರಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 2014 ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2014 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? And now my dear friends, we'll discuss some questions based on this. Write down the question. The first question is here. I'll write the question, that is, express the matrix. Express the matrix. Express the matrix A is equals to 3, 5, 1 minus 1, 3, 5, 1 minus 1 as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So my dear students, this question was very important. This question carries weightage for this marks. So this question is 3 marks, and this question was asked in June 2015. They asked, my dear students. So very important. Such a questions will be asked in your annual examinations. So please try to work out such type of questions. So here very simple question it is. What is that? So please read go through the question. The question is, express the matrix A. A is the one matrix they given to you. 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Express the matrix A as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. Just only I proved, my dear students, the theorem. What is that? Any matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. And we know that, my dear students, for any matrix A, half into A plus A dash will be the symmetric and half into A minus A dash will be the skew symmetric. And if I add this, again I should get the matrix, the A itself. That is the proof they given to you, my dear students. So my dear students, now I'll prove this one. Here it is. What should I find? I should find, here it is, let A is equals to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. Clear? This is your half into A minus A transpose. You can take let, or directly we can write. We know that, or we have A is equals to half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. So my dear students, express the matrix A as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So here it is, half into A plus A dash is the symmetric, half into A minus A dash is the skew symmetric. To here it is, to express the given matrix in the form of symmetric and skew symmetric, I should find half into A plus A dash, and also I should find half into A minus A dash. So now my dear students, already the matrix A they given to you. Given here it is. What is that? Given A is equals to here 3, 5, 1 minus 1. This is the matrix they given to you. We should write the transpose of this. A transpose is equals to. So what is how to write the transpose of a matrix? Just we should interchange the rows into column. So 3, 5, 1 minus 1. My dear students, please observe here. This is the transpose of this. Now I should find half into A plus A dash. So before that multiplying half, first I will find A plus A transpose. So A plus A transpose is equals to. What is A, my dear students? 3, 5, 1 minus 1. This is the matrix A. Plus A transpose. What is A transpose? 3, 1, 5 minus 1. So this implies that. How to add here it is? Several times I told you, before adding any two matrices, we should check the order of the given matrices. So here it is 2, here it is 2 rows, and 2 columns. So matrix order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Here also the matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. If both the matrices are of the same order, then only we can add the two matrices, and the addition is done by the adding the corresponding elements of the matrices. So therefore 3 plus 3 is, my dear students, it is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Minus 1 plus minus minus. Minus 1 is minus 2, my dear students. Clear? 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Minus 1 plus minus minus. Minus 1 is minus 2. This is your a plus a dash. But I required half into a plus a dash. So therefore to this I will multiply with half. Half into a plus a transpose is equals to, my dear students, half into 6 minus 2. So to this matrix I am multiplying with half. So in the earlier classes I discussed with the any constant. If I wanted to multiply to the given matrix, means I should multiply this constant with the constant value every element of the matrices. So if I multiply half into 6, so my dear students, this will become, here it is half into 6, here or else directly I will write in the form of division. 6 by 2 minus 2 by 2, my dear students. Here it is 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So this will become, here it is 3 minus 1. This is your half into a plus a dash. Next, my dear students, find out half into a minus a dash. So half into a minus a dash. This is the half into a plus a dash. This is nothing but the symmetric matrix. And next I should find the skew symmetric. Skew symmetric is nothing but half into a minus a dash. Next my job is to find out a minus a dash. So already we calculated the matrix A as well as we calculated the matrix A, that is A transpose. So my dear students, now my job is to find out A minus A dash. That is nothing but from the matrix A, I should subtract with the transpose of a matrix A. Clear? Please note it down to pause the video. And now I am going to calculate A minus, here it is A minus A transpose. What is A? A is 3, 5, 1 minus 1 minus of, this is A matrix, 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Next, A transpose is 3, 1, 5 minus 1. Now further simplify this, my dear students. Again here it is, whenever you are subtracting the two matrices, in that case also the order must be same, and the subtraction is done by subtracting the corresponding elements of the given matrix. So therefore 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus 1 minus minus plus, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Clear? Now my dear friends, this is your A minus A transpose, but I require half. So therefore half into, here it is A minus A transpose is equals to half into, I multiply half to both sides, here also and here also. So half into 0, 4 minus 4, 0, and this implies, my dear friends, again I should take the half inside the matrix. Half into 0 is 0, 4 by 2 minus 4 by 2, here it is 0 into anything is 0 itself. Clear? And now 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. This implies 0, 2 minus 2, 0. This is your half into A minus A dash. So therefore this will act as the skew symmetric, this will act as the symmetric. So now my dear students, we should check whether A is equal to this condition is satisfying or not. We should check. So what is A, my dear students? A is nothing but, here it is, I'll write, therefore A is equals to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. I'll check this one. So what is A, my dear students? A is 3, 5, 1 minus 1. And now here it is, half into A plus A dash. Half into A plus A dash is 3 minus 1 plus half into a minus a dash is 0 to minus 2 0. Whether this LHS is equal to RHS or not, we should check. So my dear students, it's 3 5 1 minus 1. This is equals to, add these two matrices. If after adding these two matrices again you are getting this matrix or not, we should check. If this is equal, then whatever we calculated, that is half into a plus a dash, this is the symmetric, and half into a minus a dash, this is the skew symmetric. Clear? So 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus minus minus, 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. So therefore, my dear students, this LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, here 3 minus 1 is symmetric matrix. Is symmetric, and 0 2 minus 2 0 is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Skew symmetric matrix. So like this you can express the any matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Like this you should calculate. I hope my dear students, still if you have any doubts you can comment me, I will reply for them. Thank you. We'll continue in the next video.